Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm sorry I'm sick and I'm losing my voice, but today we are doing a Christmas video, as you can see. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned and I'll roll it now. Thanks. I'm using the James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm going to go in with this red shade. I'm going to do one green, one red, and then we'll do some stuff from there. So now we're gonna take this green shade right here. Okay, so next I put in this sparkly green and on my crease. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a sparkly red. I'm going to use this lip palette from Bretman Rock. I'm gonna use Mercy. I'm sorry if I sound so terrible. I'm sick. So sick. And this color Mercy is seriously like the perfect color. Oh my gosh, it sounds so bad. The color Mercy is the perfect like red for Christmas. So now I'm gonna take this Saharan palette and just take Zoya, which is this light gold. I'm just gonna put that right under my eyebrow just to give the colors a little bit of pop. Okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face really quick, and then we're gonna do the rest of the eyes. So for this eye, we're gonna do like a little Santa hat. For the other eye, we're gonna do like some Christmas lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face real quick, and then we'll get back to that. Just stay tuned. Okay, so now we're gonna make our Santa hat, and then we'll do the Christmas lights. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a red lipstick and do the outline, and then I will fill it in with that same glitter red from Bretman. So I'm just using this e.l.f. red lipstick. Okay, so now that we have that done, I'm going to go ahead and spray this little brush. I'm using the M416, it's tiny. So now that that's filled in, I'm going to take my little cutouts that I made. So I just took my, like, I have makeup remover pads, and I just cut a little strip. So I'm going to put that there. So I'm going to take my eyelash glue and glue that on. Okay, so now that we have that done, by the way, I'm going to work like this. Yeah. They're gonna be like, what the hell? Anyways, now that we have that done, we're gonna do our little Christmas lights. So this one should be a little bit easier. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my eyeliner. So basically you just make like a little snake on your eyebrows. But you don't go through your eyebrows, just like up and over. So next, I'm going to make some like little tiny lines. So it kind of looks like barbed wire. But it's going to be Christmas lights, I promise. So let that dry real quick. And then once that's dry, we are going to take a little brush and the James Charles palette. So I'm going to use this tiny little brush. It's kind of like the other one I use. It's the M326. It's a small brush. And so this is what it looks like so far. A little crazy. So basically you're just going to take a bright color. So in this one she uses red, blue, yellow, orange, purple. So let that dry first. Mine's still wet. So what this girl does. So what I'm doing is I'm following like two different people. So I'm using Okay, Baby Nooks did this with the Santa hat, so I'm using that. And then Beauty by Denora used the Christmas light, and that's what I'm using. So first one I'm going to use is the yellow. It's with like little Christmas bulbs. So next I'm going to do blue. And I'm going to do a pink. And an orange. And last thing I'm going to do, she doesn't have this, but I'm going to do... So there's the Christmas lights, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this white eyeliner. It's by Maybelline. It's the only white liner I could find. I'm just going to put like little dots inside so it looks like they're like lit up. Lights with like the little white in there so it looks like they're light bulbs. And I have the Santa hat. And last thing I'm going to do is just my lips. So I'm just going to go to work and they're going to be like, someone's in the Christmas spirit today. So I'm just going to use the same e.l.f. lipstick. Okay, and then I'm just going to put on my mascara. And then I'm going to put on some highlighter and that'll be it. It's the Frozen Peach Supreme Frost. And put that highlighter on. Okay guys, so that's all for today. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it, and if you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell button if you want to be notified when I post. Thanks guys.